Brioche bread. Let me just calm down and share this recipe with you all, because I have been experimenting on this bread for a very long time, but I haven't had the time to bring it up on my page for you all. So today I'll be showing you all how to make this classic brioche bread. Very simple and easy, no machine needed. So for here I have 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, and half tablespoon or 6 grams of yeast, then 35 grams of sugar. Okay, now you're going to combine everything together, and you go in with 2 large eggs. Each egg should weigh at least 60 grams. Okay, you go in with these eggs and you're going to combine these eggs with the flour. Yes, so but first I added 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Okay, so once you're done adding the cinnamon powder and the eggs, go ahead, like I said, combine everything just as you see in the video. So after combining the eggs, you add 50 grams of butter or margarine. I don't know that my camera didn't capture that part. Okay, so you add it and then combine everything together. After that, you're going to go in with your milk. So for the liquid milk, I use about 50 grams of the liquid milk. Then I combined it together. Now after combining, you transfer on your work surface and you start kneading. Okay, now if you're using a stand mixer, I think this should be very easier for you, but if you are using hands, it may not be that easier for you. Okay, and if you feel like you still want to add a little more butter, you can add maybe extra 10 grams or 20, depending on how you want it, because it's brioche bread. It's a very enriched bread that is enriched with butter and eggs. Okay, now once you are done, you wrap it up and cover it for like 1 hour. After 1 hour, you take it out. Then you're going to sprinkle a little bit of flour on the work surface, and then you roll it out just as you see me do in this video. So after rolling it out, what I did was to get my pan, my 6 by 4 inches pan here. So my 6 by 4 inches pan, I grease it with butter or margarine, then transfer this into the pan and kept it for complete 4 hours, 30 minutes, or almost 5 hours. Almost 5 hours. You know, this bread has lots of eggs and it has milk and all that, so it's not going to rise so fast, especially as it was also needed with the hands. Assuming that it was needed with the machine, it will rise a little bit faster, so that's why it took a lot of time to rise. So once it's rising just this way, you are going to transfer into your oven and bake according to your oven temperature. So for my oven here, I baked using my fabricated oven between 120 to 150 till everything comes out fine, just like this. Okay, so as it is still hot, I took it out from the oven. Then I brushed the top with some margarine or butter, so whichever one you have, you can brush it. Some persons usually egg wash before baking, so it is all left for you if you want to egg wash before baking, but here I didn't egg wash. So after baking, I had to just brush it with some butter or margarine. Then I allow the bread to cool down completely before slicing. Guys, are you going to try this brioche bread? So if you're going to try it, please, when you do, let me know in the comment section how it turned out for you. So thank you guys for watching, and see you in my next video. So enjoy yourself. Bye.